Make path. Make path is used to create machine layout sketches. We are going to show the relationship between two components in Sketcher environment. Let's see this in SolidWorks, how we can create the path relationship between two components. Here is a sketch which shows an cam and a follower which is driven by make path relationship. Let's go into the software, and I created some sketches already, and we are going to apply path constraint and we are going to see the change. My first job is to convert these single entities into one single path. I'll go to make path, I'll select this entities. It should be tangential and moreover it should be continuous. Created, and this I will make it as a one single block. That is one single entity. And once again I'll go to sketch tools and then make path. I'll select the bottom for cam and I will choose OK. And once I create this, I'll select this and I'll make it as a block. Now we're given a path for we are given the path should be continuous and we had converted as a block. The next stage is I would like to say this is fixed. Okay, and you can view the relations what we applied here. Now if I drag this top follower, it is not right now moving it. What I need to do is I will say this and this arc segment should be tangent. Now once this relationship is applied, if you drag one cam, the other will also follow the same path. And this is all about creating a path and understanding the machine layout. And now let's switch back to the stretch entities. Move, copy, rotate and scale. How we can do all this in SolidWorks. And this entity will show you how you can stretch linearly, how you can do rotate, how you can do mirror, everything. Now let us go here, and here I will close the sketch. I will go and say new file. In the new file I want to stretch. I'll go to front plane and I'll start to create an entity here. Once I create this entity, I would like to stretch as per my requirement. And I'll choose circle over here. And I'll say it has to be trimmed. And now we need to stretch this. Go to command stretch using crossing polygon. Select this, right click. My first point here and a second point up to where you want to stretch, or you can also input XY method, means the delta X and delta Y value. I will make it as 20 and give tab, and if you use repeat you can just increment the value and you can see this. This is all about stretch entities.